Good evening, all of you, and respect my teacher. I am Karan, and my presentation topic is periodic table, and presentation topic is periodic table, and my presentation first time in my life, and I want to explain that periodic table. Periodic table is a chemistry part, and he is a very important part on in the chemistry. Without periodic table, I say that it is not chemistry completed, and I want to define of periodic table that tabular order of elements in is called periodic table. I want to speak periodic table father's name. He is Mendeleev, and full name Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. I want to explain his scientist, and he is from Rus, and I born on 8 February 1834, and both dead are 2 February 1907, and so far in Mendeleev time elements number of 60, and that time his periodic table he is not completed, but then in present time is so far 180 elements in covered, and I explain the peak of periodic table. First group is helium, lithium, nitrogen, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and francium is overall elements is big, very big elements overall francium, and second Be magnesium, calcium, oxidium, and B, and so on, many elements, and I carefully my experience is very hard, and I careful, and helium is part of S block, and I explain next slide, and other slide I explain that helium and other elements, and I want to say, and helium is a part of S blocks, and but helium is noble gas because he is not reacted any elements, and we can say that helium, neon, argon, Kr, and X, I don't know because Xe, Rn, Og. He is I want to configurance, and he is last orbital number of 8. When I want to noble gas, when elements configurance, and I want to neon 10, 2 or 8. He is 8. It is not reacted any elements because he is already full of last elements, last configurations. Yes, valence are completed, and I want to say that he is enthionide series and axonide series, and I want to explain of group. The vertical column of elements is the periodic table is called group. Group is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 to 18 is group, and the number of the group in periodic table is 18. I want to say periodic table in groups number is 18, and I want to explain that block classification of elements. First, S block elements, second P block elements, third D block elements, fourth F block elements, and I want to explain that S block elements, the elements whose last electron resides in S block, S suborbit is called S block elements. I want to explain example. Lithium, atomic number 3, configurations 1s2 2s2, and red slide, red color, red in valence shell, and he is indicated for S block elements. And neon and 11 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s1. You also and there are only two groups in there are only two groups of S block in the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table groups, only two groups in periodic in S block, and we can see that first group and or he is also 1A, and second group or second A group is 1, or also called alkyl metal. We can see that group 1 elements number helium, lithium, nitrogen, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. I want to explain that next after slide, and we group 2 or 2 B, E, M, G, C, A, S, R, B, A or R, A, and group A or a last configuration NS1, and second last configuration NS2. Note, I want to I also explain that helium and but helium atomic number 2 1s2 is also part of S block elements because he is noble gas. And second P block elements, the elements whose last electron resides in P subshell is called P block elements. I explain that example. C carbon and atomic number 6 1s2 2s2 2p6, and aluminum 13, and also you can see that there are 6 group of P blocks in the modern table. I want to say that in the according to his modern periodic table in 6 group of P block. First, I written by group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 are elements of P block. First group 13 or 3A. His elements name B, A, L, G, A, I and T, L. Last configuration NS2 and P1. Group 14 or 4a. CaSiGeSnPb last configuration NS2 2p2 and np2 sorry. Group 15 or 5a NPASSBBI last configuration NS2 2p np3 and group 16 or 6a OSSETEPO last configuration NS2 and P4. Group 17 or 7a for FCLBRIAT last configuration NS2 and P5. Group 18 or 8a he is helium NEAR KR XE and RN. These are novel gas and last configuration NS2 NP6 and third p block elements. Yes, sorry, I written by mistake by here d block elements. Really sorry. The elements whose last electron resides in d subcell is called d block elements. I want to explain. For example, Fe 26 atomic number 26 configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d6. There are total 3 category in d block. First d 3d category atomic number 21 to 13 and second 4d categories atomic number 39 to 48 and third 5d categories atomic number 57 60 72 to 18 and I next and his mistake for here is F and explain that definition. The elements whose last electron resides in F subcell is called F block elements. There are total 3 categories in F block elements. First F categories and second 4F, first 4F categories and second 5F categories and second that period is also called there are horizontal roles of elements in the periodic table are called period. In periodic table periods number is 7. I want to explain that period. Period is horizontal series and he is when I left to right I go then atomic number is increase because but I want to explain in Hindi and जब हम दाहिना से बायां जाते हैं पीरियड में तो एटॉमिक नंबर यानी परमाणु संख्या का बढ़ोतरी होता है और जब हम ग्रुप में ऊपर से नीचे आते हैं तो उसमें एटॉमिक संख्या यानी परमाणु संख्या का घटाव आता है. एंड कंक्लूजन आई एम कंक्लूजन दैट periodic table and periodic table is very important and he is also called chemistry's part and I learned that periodic table that how to use in chemistry and without I know that without periodic table is not possible chemistry and I want to explain that conclude and S, P, D or F. He is also called good.
So tell me how many maximum electrons?
Hmm.
No. First listen my question. You know about the p orbital, d orbital, s orbital.
Yes.
You tell me how many electrons, maximum electrons can be adjusted by your d orbital?
Maximum d orbital in 10.
10.
Yes.
And half is. What about the 5 number of electrons equivalent to 5?
6. I want to explain that first S block S block elements is two elements. It is arranged, and P block in 6 maximum electron adjust, and D block in 10 elements adjust, and F block.
I got your question. You tell me the Heisenberg uncertainty. You know, have you read about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle?
No.
No? You haven't read class 11?
Yes. No.
So there was a chapter of Heisenberg uncertainty?
No, sir.
No. Okay, you tell me the different structure of p orbital, because p orbital had 3 structure.
Yes.
Tell me.
P orbital is different by another orbital.
Dumbbell shape, no? P orbital is all about your dumbbell shape, but oriented in different axes. डमरू की तरह रहता है ना?
Yes.
P orbital देखिए हो ना?
Yes. He
S orbital कैसा रहता है? S orbital कैसा रहता है?
गोला टाइप का रहता है. And I want to explain that periodic table in a note topic he is shape.
Shape नहीं, उसमें if you have S orbital, P orbital, D orbital,
Yes.
क्यों नहीं रहेगा उसका हिस्सा?
वो रहता.
तो बेसिक्स है ना?
Yes.
रहना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
If you are talking about the S, P, D orbital, you should have such knowledge. You should have knowledge of the structure of P orbital or D orbital. Anyway, you tell me the importance of actinides and lanthanides series of the periodic table.
Yes.
क्या relevance है उसका?
I want to slide and.
You can take the help of slides. Actinides and lanthanides.
हाँ. Antholine's slide. It is part of F block elements.
क्या
Yes.
उसका काम क्या? उसका क्या रोल है? क्यों उसको अलग कर दिया गया? What is the reason कि उसको बाहर करके अलग सीरीज बनाया गया? क्या रीजन है इसका?
I don't know.
Clap for him. Good, very good.